In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to our iPhone settings, and then we need to scroll down until we find Snapchat. Here it is, so we need to get into it. After that, we need to tap Add Notifications, and that's where we can easily find Always Deliver Immediately, and under it, it says Time Sensitive Notifications. This type of notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. To turn them off, all we have to do is just hit Add that switcher to deactivate it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.